My name's Grace and I work here at the AMRC Training Centre. I want to let you know a bit about how apprenticeships work and the way they're structured. An apprenticeship is a job with training, which means you get paid to learn as well as work. At least 20% of your training education takes place here at the AMRC Training Centre, but you also get the chance to use those skills in a real working environment with one of our partner companies. In order to pass your apprenticeship, you'll need to show that you've gained certain knowledge, skills and behaviours. Once you've met the knowledge, skills and behaviours and achieved your academic qualifications, you can then enter what we call a gateway. This is a milestone within an apprenticeship where you'll need to satisfy your employer and the training centre that you're ready to progress, either within the standard, for example from level 2 to level 3, or to the endpoint assessment. The endpoint assessment is the final stage and usually consists of an interview, some observation of you at work or in training, and an assessment of your written portfolio. Once you've passed your endpoint assessment, you are then a qualified engineer, but perhaps the best thing is that you already have a job and are now ready to start your career.